To get started with the recipe, here I have taken a bottle gourd and I have cut them into 3 pieces as it was a larger one. First of all, I'm going to peel them and then I have to grate it. So here I have taken a larger one because as we grate we have to discard the middle portion of it. So using a grater I'm going to grate them. So here you can see I have grated the bottle gourd well. And now heat a kadai on the stove and add in 2 to 3 teaspoons of ghee into it. As soon as the ghee gets melted, here you need to add the grated bottle gourd into it. And now you need to give them all a good mix. Spread it well. Cover it and cook on low flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. So here you can see after about 3 to 4 minutes the water has been released by the bottle gourd. Give it a good mix from the bottom and now add in 1 glass of milk into it. Here you can use any milk. Here I'm going to use full cream milk for better results. Give them all finally a good mix and again we have to cover and cook until the bottle gourd is done well. So give it a little mix, cover it and cook on low flame for about 5 to 6 minutes. So here you can see after about 5 to 6 minutes the milk has been evaporated and the bottle gourd is done well. Give it a mix and cook until the whole of the milk water gets evaporated. So here you can see it is dried well. I'm going to take it out into a plate. Now into the same kadai add another 2 to 3 teaspoons of ghee. After it gets melted, add in chopped cashews and chopped almonds. I have soaked the almonds and peeled them and have chopped them this way. Fry them until they turn crisp and take them out. Into the same ghee add few raisins and fry them until they get swollen up and fried well. Here you can see the raisins are also fried well. Take them also out. And now into the same ghee you need to add 1 cup of sugar. You can increase the quantity of sugar as per your requirements and your sweetness. Now add the same 1 cup of water using the same cup. Give it a good mix and you need to cook it until the sugar dissolves and the syrup is ready. So here you can see the sugar is dissolved well. Now add in 2 to 3 drops of liquid green color. Because we are going to make the bottle gourd dessert, you need to add the green color for better look. Add 3 to 4 cardamom pods. And now here I'm going to grate a small piece of nutmeg into it for better flavor and taste. In case you don't like it or you don't have, you can skip it and add any flavor of essence that you wish. Now add the grated and cooked bottle gourd into the sugar syrup and now you need to continuously mix and cook it continuously by mixing until the whole of the bottle gourd is cooked well in the syrup and it is dried well. So here you need to continuously mix and this step is crucial in this recipe because at this step if you leave like this without mixing it continuously, it may stick to the bottom and burn. So here you can see after about 8 to 10 minutes you can see the whole of sugar syrup is dried well and the bottle gourd dessert is almost ready. Now garnish it with the fried dry fruits and give it a final mix and the dessert is just ready to be consumed. Now in case you're serving it for your guest, I have another surprising step which will surprise your guests and makes this dessert look even more special. For this you need to take out the sweet made out of bottle gourd into some plate or dish you want to serve in and into the same kadai add 1 cup of milk and here add in 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk powder into it. Basically we are going to thicken the milk. In case you don't have milk powder, you can even use the mawa or the khoya or even the condensed milk in order to thicken the milk. Now give it continuously a good mix and cook until the milk gets thickened. So here you can see the consistency of milk has been turned and it has got thick. Now off the stove and allow it to cool down. And now it's time to assemble our dessert. First of all, spread the cooked meetha or the dessert of bottle gourd into a plate or a serving dish. And finally, top it with the prepared milk mixture. And to give it even more nice look, you can even top it with fried dry fruits of your choice. So here you can see a delicious and also luxurious looking, very amazing and tasty bottle guard dessert is just ready to be served. Serve it chilled and enjoy. For more such amazing recipes, like, share and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.